Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is unique and healthy recipe for longevity. In today's video, we are preparing a recipe that will help smash belly fat in 21 days. If you follow this recipe and use it judiciously for 21 days, you are going to have a flat tummy, be you a man or a woman. So come with me as we go into the preparation of the recipe. God bless. In today's recipe, we need only 2 ingredients, which is lemon and ginger. Lemon and ginger. Now, this ginger has been cleaned, so all we need to do is to grate the ginger. Grate the ginger. After grating the ginger, you add warm water to it and sieve it. Then you squeeze out your lemon juice, mix it together, and then take it last thing at night and first thing in the morning before breakfast. Do it judiciously for 21 days, which is 3 weeks, and you will see all the fat in your belly area flush out like a magic. Be consistent. But I want to warn you, while you are under this therapy, mind how you eat. Don't eat late nights, and also control your portion. Don't eat like an elephant. Allow the ginger to work. So this therapy will help you. Now this is the ginger. You need to soak it in hot water, extract the juice, juice out my lemon, mix it up, and that is it. So this is the ginger juice already extracted with warm water. So here in the cup, I have my lemon already cut. So I'm going to juice my lemon. I'm going to juice my lemon. This is my juicer. So yes, half of the lemon is enough, so you can finish 1 a day. So I keep this half and I juice only 1 half. Just juice it. Okay, this is what I got from half a lemon, which is just like a spoon, a teaspoonful. So I turn it inside my ginger juice. See it? Take this in the morning and take it at night before you sleep. Half a lemon, small size of lemon, half, then 2 small medium size ginger. This is the mixture of ginger and lemon. It's a fat burner. You take it twice a day for 21 days and see your flat tummy. You can wear all the dresses you have been eyeing. Now, take it in the morning, early in the morning before breakfast, and take it last thing at night before you sleep. For 21 days, you will testify. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. Bye-bye, and see you in my next video with another recipe. Bye.